In this video today, I'm going to be sharing some really important tips and tricks how to better your trading. And the strategy that we're going to be learning in this video today is support and resistance. This is a very simple trading strategy that literally any you can actually maximize your returns with this strategy. This is not 100% winning strategy, but if you can maximize your gains and minimize your losses, proper risk management, you'll be able to end your month in a blue month. When I say blue month, I mean a profitable month. So how do you do that? First of all, to trade, you need to understand that you risk one to make two, or you risk one to make three. You risk one to make one. In some cases, it still works, but your risk has a lot to do with your winnings. So most of the times, people do enter trades here. They look to maybe they're looking to sell this market here, and let's just take for example, they're selling this market, and this market kept going on bullish. They just let it run to another trade which was going bullish. They were looking to buy this market. Let's say they were looking to buy this market here. Then the market started running in blue, and somehow they got anxiety because of this black candle. They closed it out here at maybe a 1 to 0.8. So overall, they've taken what? They've taken two trades, one winning trade and one losing trade. So this losing trade is still going to put them down because this one is bigger than the that they made here. But now, if you let your runners run, meaning like you're aiming for 1:2 or you're aiming for 1:3 or something like that, then you're going to see that if you held your trade here, you would have actually made money that would close up these losses and still keep you on the winning side. So in this video today, I'm going to talk about a trading strategy that you all know of, which is support and resistance, how you can actually maximize your profits, how you can take trades, how you can read charts professionally, and how you can also hold your positions till the end. When I say to the end, meaning to the point where you cannot hold it any longer. So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Gislen, and I teach people how to trade forex, and I also share trading tips and tricks how you can better your trading. So if you're not subscribed, you can maybe hold on to the end of this video. After you watch this video, if you found anything valuable out of this video, then you can consider subscribing. I have a bunch of videos that might help you in one way or the other. So first of all, we have an area here, which is resistance, right? This is a 4-hour time frame. This is a very good time frame because it reduces the amount of noise and congestion and all of the noise and saturation in price that has to affect the smaller time frames. If you were trading, let's say, on the 5-minute time frame, there's going to be a lot of ups and downs, a lot of candles here, spikes and there and there. It is going to confuse you and make it really hard for you to read the price, especially the market direction. So on this bigger time frame here, it's going to tell you exactly where the market is heading to. And with beautiful candles like this, I mean, who doesn't know how to read this? Clearly, you can see that this is a bullish trend because we have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and so on. So this keeps us in a very bullish momentum. So we're looking to buy this market for as long as possible. So now, let me structure this market for you. You can see here that we have a break of structure to the upside. All of these lines that I'm drawing here are like the recent highs. This high here being taken out, this high being taken out, right? Just in case you don't know why I'm drawing this, is to give you an idea how I break down my charts, all right? So I'd like this to happen. If the market continues bullish, then I'd like to see this happen. Then for me to sell this market, all right, I'd like this low here to be taken out. What I mean by that is, if the market does this, right, if this trend here continues down, breaks this area here, then I'm looking to sell. Okay, that's the only point I can sell. Why? Because this recent low here has been taken out. You can see this low here was not taken out. Instead, the high was taken out. So I was buying and going, and I was following the wave. All right, I was following the trend. I was following the water. So right now, we are here. Let's break this chart from here. So first of all, we see that the market has taken out this high, meaning we are buying this market. And now, how do you trade this? How do you trade support and resistance? All right, support and resistance. This is really very simple. You look for areas in the market that price has faced a very strong rejection at, meaning you have areas like this that price has rejected really impulsively. You have areas like this that the price has also rejected really impulsively. So be rest assured that you have losing trades and you have what? Winning trades. So if I was trading this market live, I would like this low here to be taken out before I sell, like I told you. And that did not happen. Really, this to me is an equal low, and I'll just hold my peace and see what happens. So what happened here was the market broke this trend, and I'm looking to do what? I'm looking to buy from here. I mean, everybody will buy from here. So I'll just buy from this area because why? Resistance turns to support once broken. All right, so now I'm buying here. Now we are here, and let's say I have a trade here. How will I enter this trade? First of all, I'll wait for the first opposite candle to form on this 4-hour time frame. If you go down to like let's say the 2-hour, let's go on the 2-hour and see. Let's go back where we were. This is where we were. Okay, nice. You can see that, right? You can see this candle here. So this, my friend, is where I'm going to enter my trade. After I see this nice, looking bullish candle here, I'm just going to take a quick buy. I'll enter immediately for this 2-hour candle closes here. This 2-hour candle, as it closes up, I'm buying this market and I'm keeping my stop loss just below this swing low here. You can see that swing low. You can just keep your stop losses right there. Then I'm aiming for 1:2 on average. That's exactly what I aim. If you are in my Telegram channel, you know this because I usually post my setups and trade ideas there. So if you're not in my Telegram channel, it's free. You can click the link down below in the description. So now I'll go back to the 4-hour time frame. Hypothetically, for trading this market, this is exactly what my trade would look like. All right. Then we come further and we look. Right now we have a high, we have a low. What do we expect? We expect price. If price pulls back all the way down here, I'm still buying this market because this is still my support. Okay, my support is still here. So if this high breaks, however, I'm looking to buy there. So now, what will I do if price was just in this area here? All right. Let me close up all of this aside. Don't look at this area. Don't look at this area. Right? Don't look at that area. Let me just push it to the wall. Yeah, let's keep it like that. Okay, let's keep it like that. Now, I have a strong impulse here. This is a very strong push. You see, when price got to this particular price point, what happened? When price arrived at 1.092, 1.09297, price faced a very, very strong rejection. Remember, this is the 4-hour time frame, okay? So this is a very, very low, and this momentum, it's something that you should, like this. It's most likely that if price comes back all the way up here to this point, 0.9, price will still reject one way or the other, okay? Probably just a minor rejection to get a sell, okay? So right now, the reason why we are selling here is because we've seen that the price has taken out this low. Look here. You can see a low here has been taken out. Another low here has been respected, all right? So this low here has been taken out by this strong impulse. So after seeing that, you need to understand that you're going with what? You're going with the momentum of the market. So here, the momentum of the market kicked in. You're looking to do what? Grab a sell if you see a confirmation. And what's the confirmation? Go on the 2-hour time frame. Okay. I've told you guys, trading is a game of probability. All right, you have losing trades and you have winning trades. Sometimes you just take trades. You don't even. At the end of the day, you look at it and be like, "Why did I take this trade?" You just do what your analysis tells you. So right here, I'm going to take first of all when you see this kind of candle here. All right, this tiny candle here with little to nobody. That's to tell you that what there's an opposite force that's pushing that candle. That candle wanted to close bullish, but you see the sellers push that candle to close the way it closed. Then what followed after that? A bearish candle formed, all right? But I don't like this bearish candle because there's a very long wick at the bottom which shows buying pressure. But I need to see a candle like this or a candle like this to show me that there is sellers in this market. So after that, what happened? A candle like this appeared. So I'll take on a candle like this after immediately that candle is here. All right, I'll keep my stop loss right there. Then I'll aim for what? 182. As simple as that. You see how quick you get in and get out of trades. You don't have to hold trades for hours and years and days and months before you see money in the market. It's not how long you hold these trades, okay? It's how well you hold them. So right there is a very quick trade that we've made out of that market. Because why? We sold here because of what we saw here. Okay? We sold here because in the past, price rejected this area. So that's why we're selling. Okay? So now we continue with the momentum of the market, like I told you guys. All right? Here we see very strong buying pressure in the upside. So what do? We do what? We look to buy the market if the market pulls back all the way down here. Okay? If the market pulls back all the way down here, I was going to buy this market. I don't care. I was going to buy this market. If this level fails to hold, then I'll buy here. It's just like that. Okay? If I lose here, I'll buy here. Eventually, I'll still make my money back. It's just how trading works. This is the realest way to trade. Okay? You don't just win trades all the way because you have a strategy. Sorry, bro. You take it, you lose, you take it, you lose, you take the next one, you win, you take the next one, you win. That's just how it is. But you need to understand why you're taking. Don't just take random trades. Right now, we see a very, very strong push to the upside, breaking above these highs. But I will not buy from this level here. Why? Because I don't like this push. As you can see here, we had a momentum candle, then we had consolidation, a push back in the opposite direction, consolidation, a push back again in the opposite direction. So all of this here is kind of a ranging market to me, which I don't really fancy. Okay, this is all liquidity. And when the market has taken this out, then I'll start looking for maybe something to do. So right here, you can remember, guys, here that we're selling. And I told you that if your resistance area breaks, what happens? That area automatically becomes what? Support, okay? So you can actually look to buy this market if this market, returned back into your support. And at the same time, I can also identify a very, very nice looking trend line here that you could draw out to trade from in case the market was going to come back in this area. So this could actually add to your confluence, right? You could have like a trend line here, you have support, then you're like, okay, if price bounces here, I'm definitely buying this market. If it fails to, then I'll look for a retest, then I'll continue selling the market. That's just how it is, bro. Okay, if you take a trade, you lose, you look out for other opportunities. Don't hinder yourself. Don't hate yourself for losing a trade. Don't think you don't know how to trade. You do know how to trade. Just that's a bad trade. Okay, there's bad weeks, bad months, there's even bad years for some traders. So you just need to keep it in there. If you have the passion, you keep doing what you're doing. So right here, guys, you can see that there's a strong push here to the upside breaking structure. If the market could come back all the way here, I'll buy this market. And if the market also come back all the way here, I'll sell this market. Why? Because I like this push. You can see here the impulse was here as well. We have impulse, we have impulse. Either way, so if anyways the market goes first, we sell, we buy. What happened when the market came here? To be honest, that's it. We sell it just like that. Keep your stop loss just above those highs. All right. And before you know it, 1:2 is done. You have a trade. And what happened? This low failed to break structure. So I'm looking to buy here because of the impulse that was delivered here. Boom, I bought. It came on here. This is kind of chubby. I will not sell here. So that's just how it is. I just look impulse. I go with the wave. I go with the momentum of the market. That's really it. There's really nothing to this thing, guys. Like, there's nothing to it. All right. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Click the links down below. You can get in touch. Peace.